In this video I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup of your Canon ImageCLASS LBP122dw printer. Go to printer's control panel and switch on the printer. Scroll down, click on the menu, select preferences and then select the network. Scroll down and look for the wireless LAN settings. It will give you the list of wireless network. You just have to select your Wi-Fi. Next is to enter the password of the Wi-Fi. It's really difficult to enter the password here because screen is not that much clear and the buttons are just only basic buttons. So even then we can do that. Just go down like this and you can select numbers, digits. So if you select the switch entry mode, then you can get the option like uppercase and numbers, lower letters and numbers, and then the symbols. So you can select accordingly. And once you have entered the password, just click on the apply, click yes. Printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network. Click on the back button and just go to the main screen. Printer is on the network. Let's add it in a smartphone for wireless printing. Go to your smartphone and open the Canon Print App. To add the printer, click on the register printer. Make sure your smartphone is connected to your home Wi-Fi. Then it will display the printer on the same network. Select LBP printer. Don't worry about this message, press OK and you will see your printer. Now if you don't see it online, just wait or just click on the add switch. Click on the register printer. So we'll just do it once again. Select the printer again. Then it becomes online and now we can start using it. Let's do a print test. Select any document you want to print and just click on the next and print. That's the Wi-Fi setup of the printer. Thanks for watching. Let's go back.